Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A sun-drenched, autumnal outdoor patio space beneath a rustic wooden pergola. The pergola is supported by weathered, dark brown wooden posts, and string lights illuminate the space, casting a warm glow. A sectional sofa set, in dark gray wicker, with mustard-colored throw pillows, sits centrally on a patio paved with large, irregularly shaped, light gray flagstones. There is a low wooden coffee table made from driftwood or reclaimed wood. The garden surrounding the patio features a variety of lush greenery, including dense bushes, plants, and grasses. A container filled with vibrant orange flowers and a rustic lantern add warm color accents. A rustic, outdoor seating area under a pergola. A light taupe sectional sofa sits nestled within a stone wall, built of varying shades of gray and beige stones. The pergola is formed from weathered, light brown wooden beams and supports. A lush landscape surrounds the seating area, featuring vibrant purple lavender bushes, various wildflowers in shades of orange, yellow, and pink, and tall, light green grasses and other plants. The ground is covered by a pathway of irregularly shaped, light gray flagstones. A rolling green hill with a few trees and more wildflowers is visible in the background. The sky is a soft, overcast light gray. A spacious, rustic outdoor patio area beneath a pergola. The pergola is constructed of dark, weathered wood beams, supporting a canopy of climbing vines with string lights. The ground is covered with a mix of gravel and large, irregularly shaped, light brown stone pavers, creating a natural, laid-back aesthetic. The patio features comfortable gray outdoor furniture, including a love seat and armchairs, with neutral-toned cushions. Several potted plants in various sizes and textures are strategically placed throughout the space: small, white flowering shrubs, larger potted plants, and grass. A stone wall adds visual interest and texture. A cozy, outdoor patio area at dusk, featuring a pergola with string lights, a sectional sofa set, and various lanterns. The patio is made of flagstone pavers, bordered by a low stone wall. A rustic stone building with a stone facade is partially visible, with climbing vines and greenery wrapping around it. The surrounding area is a lush garden, with various plants and trees. The scene is well lit by warm, ambient lighting from the string lights and lanterns, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere. Impressionistic, but with strong details in the textures of the stone and the foliage. Colors are warm and muted, a mix of browns, tans, greens, and muted oranges. A rustic wooden pergola with overgrown foliage and vibrant flower beds. A paved walkway with moss-covered flagstones meanders through the garden, leading to a central wooden bench. The scene is filled with lush greenery, various flowering plants in shades of orange, pink, purple, and red. Rich earthy tones and muted greens dominate the color palette. Impressionistic style, with slightly softened edges, but with sufficient detail to distinguish individual plants and textures. Include a wooden bench, a covered area, lush flower beds, and a well-maintained grass lawn. Focus on the interplay of light and shadow, especially on the wooden pergola and the walkway. A rustic, inviting outdoor seating area under a wooden pergola. The pergola is supported by weathered wooden beams, with climbing vines cascading down the supports. Soft, warm lighting from string lights strung across the pergola creates a cozy atmosphere. The pergola is covered with lush green foliage and trees surrounding it, creating a shaded and natural ambience. A light beige/tan sectional outdoor sofa with wicker-style accents and various throw pillows sits on a stone patio area, with a circular wicker coffee table. Several round outdoor poufs are scattered strategically around the space. The hardscape features flagstone paving that transitions into a grassy area. A meticulously landscaped garden featuring a pergola with weathered wooden beams and posts, providing shade over a patio area. The garden paths are made of large, flat, light gray stone slabs, interspersed with small pebbles, creating a natural, textured surface. Colorful flowers of various species, including vibrant yellow coneflowers, and a mix of other blossoms in pink, red, purple, and orange, fill the flower beds. The plantings are lush and diverse, with a variety of greenery, shrubs, and herbs. A comfortable brown sofa is situated under the pergola. The garden is surrounded by mature trees, creating a tranquil, leafy backdrop. A lush, meticulously landscaped garden path under a wooden pergola, featuring a variety of flowers and plants. Impressionistic, but with hyperrealistic details. The path, paved with large, flat, gray-brown rectangular stones, meanders through the garden, lined with low-growing green ground cover. Stone retaining walls flank the path, composed of stacked, irregular gray-brown stones. Vibrant colors of pink, red, orange, yellow, and purple flowers fill the garden beds, contrasting with the deep greens of foliage. Large leaves of various plants, including hostas, fill the beds and add depth and texture. A spacious, landscaped outdoor patio area under a rustic wooden pergola. Hyperrealistic style. The pergola is supported by weathered, gray-brown wooden posts and beams, partly covered in climbing vines. Light, dappled sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating the gravel pathway and stone seating areas. The pathway winds through the space, leading up a tiered stone staircase. Two comfortable, low-profile gray-brown outdoor sofas are placed on the gravel, each with patterned throw pillows. A rustic, outdoor patio scene under a wooden pergola. Impressionistic, but with detailed textures. Stone walls and walkways, with a mix of flagstone and gravel. A seating area with a tan/beige wicker sectional sofa set, surrounded by lush green grass. Purple flowers, especially a low-lying ground cover, are heavily featured, mixed with orange/yellow flowers and shrubs. The pergola is made of weathered, dark gray wood beams, with a light filtering through from the trees above. The stonework is gray and tan, blending in with the pergola beautifully. The home is stone, with dark gray windows. A meticulously landscaped backyard oasis. A pergola, with a wooden frame and a leafy vine canopy, creates shade over a patio area with a brown wooden seating set, including a couch and a low table. The patio is paved with large, irregular flagstone. A meandering stone pathway winds through the scene, lined with various plants and flowers, including hostas, colorful flowering plants, and shrubs. A manicured lawn sits between the pathway and other garden areas. Another pergola, also with a wooden frame and leafy canopy, is visible in the background. The garden beds feature a variety of plant life, creating a vibrant display of green, red, orange, and other fall colors. A sprawling, landscaped outdoor patio area at sunset. A pergola with weathered wood beams and rustic wooden posts provides shade and a focal point. A comfortable wicker sofa with orange throw pillows sits beneath the pergola, creating a relaxing seating area. The patio floor is paved with irregular flagstone, a mix of light gray, beige, and tan tones. The stones create a natural, textured pathway through the garden. Beds of vibrant wildflowers and shrubs border the patio, masses of orange tagetes, purple lavender, and various other flowering plants add color and texture. A serene, well-maintained backyard patio at dusk. An intimate wooden pergola with a vibrant climbing rose canopy draped over it, providing shade and a floral backdrop. A comfortable, light gray couch and wooden furniture are situated on a light brown wooden deck. A round, dark metal table with lit candles is in the center. The scene is bathed in warm, golden hues of sunset, casting a gentle glow over the space. Artificial grass is used as a lawn, and the paths are defined by light brownish-tan stepping stones. Multicolored flowers, including bright orange roses and colorful flower beds, add pops of color. A rustic outdoor living space under a wooden pergola. A covered patio area with a stone-paved floor, featuring a mix of light beige and gray flagstone. Rustic wicker furniture, including a sofa, armchairs, and a coffee table, are arranged around the patio amidst greenery. The color palette is predominantly earthy tones, warm browns, grays, and beige of the furniture and stone. There are various potted plants and hanging baskets with yellow and orange flowers. The pergola is constructed of weathered, natural-toned wooden beams, supported by sturdy wooden posts. Ivy and other greenery climb up the pergola and the exterior walls of an adjacent wooden cabin-style structure, creating a lush and natural ambience.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:/DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.